guys, today we're going to talk about our UltraFlex series blocks a little bit. I've had a couple questions about what makes them different from other acrylic blocks. Well, I noticed on a lot of our competitors' blocks, the rounded edges aren't there like they are on our blocks. These are rounded, half-inch round. These are CNC cut, CNC routed. This sanding edge, I'll say the base of the block is routed 150 thousandths. And mostly because when you're blocking something, if you're coming up to a convex line, if this surface isn't routed or smooth, you'll get a lot of gouging. You'll have this corner might gouge into the next panel or whatever it is that you're sanding, and also this edge here, the perimeter of the block will want to gouge. If you get into a convex line a little bit, it'll start to dig in, and it might carve a line that you don't want to be there. These blocks are very flexible, hence the name UltraFlex. They're flexible both ways. These blocks, you can somewhat bend them into an S or an odd shape, but in this odd shape you don't lose a constant shape. You can't kink it, you can't distort it out of a round shape. And the whole idea with the slits on the top is to be able to bend this block but also sand it with even pressure. And I used this block recently on a 34 Ford Fender into the running board doing panel to panel, and that's where you might run into an S shape like this, is coming down off of that fender, rolling into the flat of the running board. These blocks work very well for applications like that.